Makati ate oh. Yun ay Makati. Ay Makati yan. Ayun na nakalagay. Makati. Makati. Ito na oh. Ayan na Makati ate. Kita mo Makati. Yun o. Ano yun? Oo, anong park yan? Philippine Park?
Philippine Park ba?
Oo, kasi yan eh. Nasa Pilipinas, di Philippine Park. Ay. 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 Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Ito na tayo. Ay. Nangyari. Yan na. Lipad-lipad na down. Ayun na. Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun na, oh. Barong-barong eh. Ayun na. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Up. Ay, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the safe flight. So, in 3 days, see you again. In 3 days, see you again. Airport. Parang ayoko na mag-flight ng ganong kahaba. Ate, napakahaba. The boring. No? Haba eh. Mag-ano, sleeping pills.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Joseph Romel Concepcion and First Officer Ramon Emmanuel Navarrete, together with your in-flight cabin crew team on this flight, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific as your airline of choice. It was indeed our pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to see you again in one of your future Cebu Pacific flights. May you enjoy your stay here in Manila or wherever your onward destination may be.
Thank you.